Most Axyz machines can be specified with a variety of different head and carriage configurations. Depending on the application, a machine may have multiple carriages, multiple Z-axes, or a combination of both. A popular configuration for high productivity is to have two carriages on the same gantry. The spacing between the two carriages can be easily adjusted to suit the material or part sizes to be processed. The 8000 series machine in this video has a process area which allows it to accommodate two full-size sheets of 8 foot by 4 foot material. Other process areas are available to suit all standard size sheet materials. Both of these sheets are processed simultaneously for double the productivity. This machine has two routing spindles fitted, but they could just as easily be knife tools or any other device to suit the application. Other options such as the automatic tool changer can also be used to reduce manual intervention. Twin head configuration is a very cost-effective way of increasing production capacity without requiring a big increase in expensive factory space.